Hello.
I just killed your boy, Sean. I just killed Danny. I had to. He was gonna shoot my son. Sean's gonna come after you.
I want people at his house.
And if he can't get to you, he's gonna go after your family.
I want people at his wife's family's house. Anywhere he might run for help.
I know how this works. The cops got their own motivation. You've got to worry about staying alive.
So what happens now?
I'm the best chance you've got. You drink coffee, Harding?
Yeah, 6 cups a day for the last 30 years.
Put in a little extra sugar. It's gonna be a long night. I'm here asking for my son's life, Sean.
You know this has to end. I'm coming after your boy with everything I got. And when it's done, and it will be done, then I'll let you die.
I'm gonna do what I have to do to protect my son.